Hey guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to add a donate button on Wix. So let's go to the Wix website first. This is Wix editor page. In this editor page, you have to click on this add elements plus icon. Click on this. Now scroll down and you'll find payments. This one, click on payments, and then you can see here payment forms donation. Click on donation and you'll find here donation forms. Choose one donation form. It may take some seconds, so hold on. Here you can see that you have reached your limit of 5 forms. So I need to upgrade if I have to add any form. But if you're that's why I'm using free version of this. But if you're using premium version, you can add unlimited forms. So I'm just showing you how you can do this. Go to plus icon elements, go to payments, and you'll find here donation form, and then you can see here donation form, and you can add it and edit it according to your need. Okay, so this is super simple. So this is how you can do this. Basically, sorry that I cannot show you, but I hope that you understand. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.